Hi, once again, it's OP from TechMyMoney.com, and in this video, we'll be taking a look at the BlackBerry Key2 in 2019. If you didn't grow up using a BlackBerry or a keyboard device, then there's a slight chance that this device is not meant for you. Sporting a 4.5 IPS 1620 by 1080 display, an octa-core 64 Snapdragon 660, a dual 12 megapixel rear and one 8 megapixel front-facing camera, and a 3500 milliamp hour battery. This is the BlackBerry Key2. Currently priced at $616 on Amazon, I think the company has to work on the pricing of their devices if they want to win the hearts of new users. I applaud BlackBerry for trying to stand out from the crowd of smartphones that just look alike. Coming from someone who lived in a country where BlackBerry devices used to be the must-have, this is an elegant-looking device. The BlackBerry Key2 improves on the Key1's design and functionality across the board. It has a classier and unique design. Even the textured finish of the back of the device makes it feel premium. The machined straight line on this phone sets it apart from other phones. BlackBerry decided to move all three keys to the right side this time. You'll find your USB Type-C port and speaker grill on the bottom of this device. On the top right-hand corner, you'll find a 3.5mm headphone port. Thank you, BlackBerry, for understanding that people still use wired headphones. The left side of the device houses the SIM and the microSD card slot. The Key2 keyboard was also improved, as they are now larger and have a more tactile feel. BlackBerry software keyboard also does prediction, so you can swipe up on the keys to insert a word before you're done typing it. BlackBerry didn't put the keys there for no reason, because they still have the cool capacitive trackpad feature that scrolls around the interface, web pages, and apps. If you're coming from another Android device, you'll have to get used to the BlackBerry user interface, launcher, and the way it organizes your space with the Productivity tab. Replacing the right shift button is the new speed key, which works as a function button. Holding the speed key and pressing or long pressing any one of the keyboard's 26 letters can open any app or activate any shortcut. Since you can short press or long press any key, you get a total of 52 shortcuts to work with, making it the most convenient shortcut feature on any Android device. The keyboard has its downside. The only thing I didn't really like is the fingerprint reader on the spacebar. It needed a couple of tries to get your fingerprint registered. The Key2 maintains its predecessor's focus on privacy and security with monthly security updates. BlackBerry DTech software helps manage your app privacy permissions better and scan your Android software to make sure you're not running a compromised version. BlackBerry devices have traditionally had excellent battery life, and the Key2 is no different. It has stellar battery life even on a full workday with heavy usage. Being the first BlackBerry with dual rear cameras, these 2 megapixel shooters can certainly get the job done for those nice Instagram shoots. Thanks to MKBHD for the blind picture test. Overall, the BlackBerry Key2 is a rare device that comes with a tactile and useful keyboard, has a good security-minded software, cool features, and an excellent battery life. That's it for this video. It's OP from TechMyMoney. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.